just how beautiful the story is and just the message of the story too. And also after 7 years of working together, parang this is the best film that would really, hopefully, mark our names as actors and actresses. So, sa mga hindi po nakapanood, panoorin niyo na po. Showing po tayo.
Yeah, I think it's just how perfect the story came, you know, in a time where we were already talking about this. But ang sabi kasi namin, we'll wait for the right project, we'll wait for the right storyline. Para maganda yung, parang yung hatid, di ba? So, yun, nung nabasa talaga namin yung unang draft, or even the pitch to us, when they were telling us, you know, the gist of the story, iba talaga siya, and sabi talaga namin, ito na yung perfect time. Yeah.
Grabe.